Here's 3 beginner drills on the Wing Chun Wooden Dummy that you can practice even as a beginner. First drill is Pak Sau Punch. What you gotta do is use the dummy arms and do a Pak Sau and a punch together. Not 1, 2, but 1. What you're gonna do is you take your hand up here, you're gonna move, push the hand across the line, and do this as a single motion, making sure that your hands stay in between the arms. If your fists are not conditioned yet, this thing's pretty hard, use one of these soft thingies here. Drill number 2, there's a move called scissors Gan Sau. Looks like this. One arm high, one arm low. You're going to strike the arms on one side, turn your arms and strike on the other side. One side, other side. You want to do this, don't lean back like this. Don't lean forward like this. Stand up nice and tall and move your body together. Do it slow at first, but as you do it slower and you get better at it, you can do it faster and harder. Drill number 3, side kicks. We do use quite a bit of kicks, right? We don't show it on our videos too much, but here's how you can practice them at home. Find yourself a good distance away from the dummy. Use this arm as support. Lean back, side kick low, right on the leg, side kick on the stomach, and then side kick on the chest. Like that. So, 1, 2, 3. And then we'll go nice and precise and good balance. 1, 2. And if you really want to challenge yourself, you can then try it without holding onto the dummy, keeping one arm like this. Let's see if I can do it. If you want to see more beginner content from us, check out these videos that will be linked above. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us and comment below on what you'd like to see.